sige. What do you want? Pang-uwag sa ating... Imbis nga aglinis na eh.
You wet me!
Banbanlawan nga rod ni atim na laing.
Stop wetting me. Mama,
Ito yung sige. Nato nga puti. Yeah, sibuagam na lang ate, agbalay at agbalay at matuyo. Sige, sibuagam ta nga to.
Mama, can I change into shorts?
King kan ah.
Get away! I belong with you.
O, ta cellphone ko.
Yes, I am. Okay. Mama, I feel like this wetting me. My whole forgot my hair. Mama, look at my hair.
What?
Mama, look at me like this.
Liam!
I feel like this. Mama, I feel like this. Language. I feel like this. She's not even wet. What the hell?
Sakit bilong kayo manlatan. Squeegee pa lang natin, Minday. I-double rinse mo ito, ate Ashley, ata.
Okay.
Nga si ka, Ashley, Ashley.
That's enough. Leo! Enough! Mama, can you tell Leo to stop? I don't want to scream it.
Liam, stop it.
No, it's in a different level now.
Hanap ko nga to.
Okay, what's up? Which level is it? The 3 dots? No. Oh, yay! Swim. Mama, that's like a gun. Liam? Is that on baby? lock mode?
Get prepared, ah. Get prepared.
Yes. So what happens is that my parents might get in this thing. Yay! Yay! Yes! Yay! Get away from me! Get away from me!
I-rinse mo ata natin kasi kasi mga konti pagkagagagit ng
Yeah!
Ata bagong na rugrugitan ah. Ata bagong na rugrugitan. Ipulong ka kini amang mo. You're banned You're banned from the TV and laptop and other gadgets. Start today.
Oh my god.
And even playing outside, you're banned. You just stay in your room until the school holiday finish.
Okay. Liam, stop. You're the one who sprayed out your legs.
Stop!
Ashley's the one who
Stop! Stop!
No, the other one. By like laying down on the ground. Don't lay down on the ground. Yeah. If it's good.
Pagkakatawa ka pa ah.
That's the criminal over here. Mom, are you videoing?
Wala nga talagang.
I will be safe one day, you know?
Can you rinse this one as well?
Letting fun. Never ever.
Okay.
No, that was my accident. Because I clicked on it. Here.
This local
But why is there bubbles?
Six minutes na lang ate ah.
Ay isang investment para sa iyong mental clarity dahil mas mabilis tayong makakaisip ng mga diskarte sa buhay kung hindi magulo ang ating kapaligiran. Maraming mga ka-daily ang hindi namamalayan na ang oras na nasasayang nila sa paghahanap ng gamit o pag-iisip ng susunod na gagawin ay sapat na sana para makabuo ng isang bagong side hustle. Ang yaman ay hindi lang tungkol sa perang pumapasok, kundi
Chicheria.
What do you want?
Chicheria.
Chicheria oh. Give you chicheria.
Ang taong kasama niya sa buhay. Grabe, sa pagkakataon to, mas makukumpleto natin ang kwento dahil makasama natin ngayon ang special someone niya sa kanyang buhay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome kapatid ko, si Harleen Bautista. Hi, Harleen.
Thank you.
Oo naman.
Thank you for having us. Sa mga nanonood at nakikinig po. Kamusta po kayo?
Harleen,
Waiting for another moment. Told you
Ato sungko di. Ato ye tatanggi sungko. Ni Mang Orang. Ini Baby Song. Baby Song.
Huh?
Awan ti.
Yeah.
Awan ti matanan ni. Ay Liam, I'll cut your hair.
Yes,
I'll be the one to cut your hair. Your
I
back.
am a buzz cut.